What you are seeing is an aerosoled metallic particulate reaction to atmospheric sounds. They're being trumpeted possibly by frequencies emitted by technological means. TTAs, Tesla Tech Arrays, located within a quarter of the Earth's mass away, as I have shared with you before. It is definitely this type of reaction. But where are the trumpet sounds coming from? Are they merely emitted frequencies? What if they are not? What if you are seeing and hearing a sign from God? Has He ordered the first trumpet to be blown? Are these trumpets His? Just so that